The iPad 12th generation is coming, but is it actually worth upgrading? Oh, just another small refresh. Today, we're verifying the latest leaks using trusted sources like McRumors and recent 2026 reports. Let's start with performance, because this is the biggest upgrade. Reports suggest Apple is planning an A18 chip built on a more efficient process. This matters because the current iPad doesn't support Apple's new AI features, but the new chip is expected to enable Apple Intelligence, making this one of the most important upgrades in years. Along with that, Apple may increase RAM from 6 GB to 8 GB, which is required to run these AI features smoothly. Now, here's where things get interesting. There's actually confusion in the leaks. Some sources say Apple will use A18, while others say A19 is more likely, since it's already used in newer iPhones. What we can verify is that Apple is definitely upgrading performance, mainly to support AI, not just speed. Next, let's talk about design, and this is where expectations need to be realistic. According to almost every report, Apple will keep the same 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display, Touch ID, and overall design. That means no old, number 120Hz promotion, and no major redesign. This is still Apple's budget iPad, so the focus is internal upgrades rather than premium features. The display will likely remain a 60Hz LCD panel with thicker bezel, and even the cameras are expected to stay the same, including 12MP front and rear cameras. So, if you were expecting a big visual upgrade, this is not that device. Now, let's talk about connectivity and hidden upgrades. There are reports that Apple could introduce a new custom wireless chip with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth improvements, but this is still uncertain and may be limited to higher-end models. There's also a possibility of an Apple-designed modem in cellular versions, improving battery efficiency and network performance. Battery life is expected to stay around 10 hours, with improvements mainly coming from chip efficiency rather than a bigger battery. So don't expect a massive jump here, just better optimization. Now, let's talk about software, because this is where the real upgrade happens. The iPad 12 is expected to run the latest PITOs with Apple Intelligence features, including smarter Siri AI writing tools and better multitasking. This is the main reason Apple is upgrading the hardware to bring AI features to its most affordable iPad. Now, timing. When is it actually coming? Earlier leaks suggested a spring 2026 launch, but that didn't happen. Now, reports say the release timing is uncertain, with a possible launch later in 2026. So at this point, the release date is still unclear. Pricing is expected to stay around $349, keeping it Apple's most affordable tablet and targeting students and everyday users. Guys, subscribe the Upgrade Zone for upcoming updates.